Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve website design with Wix, full guide step by step clearly. To improve website design with Wix, start by logging into your Wix account. Select the website you wish to edit or create a new one. Familiarize yourself with the Wix editor interface. Begin with choosing a template that aligns with your brand identity. Explore Wix's extensive library of templates for different industries. Once you've selected a template, click on it to open the editor. Customize the layout by dragging and dropping elements as per your design vision. Start by adding a header to create a strong visual impact. Incorporate your logo and brand colors into the header. Next, add pages to your site for easy navigation. Include essential pages such as Home, About, Services, and Contact. Use the Wix Menus and Pages section to reorganize the structure. Focus on typography by selecting complementary fonts. Assign a hierarchical style to maintain coherence across your design. Use high-quality images that resonate with your content. Check Wix's gallery for free stock images or upload your own. When designing, keep your target audience in mind. Ensure that the design is user-friendly and visually appealing. Add elements like buttons that encourage interaction. Consider using animations selectively to engage visitors. Explore Wix's features such as galleries, blogs, and forums to enrich content. Incorporate testimonials or reviews for social proof. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly. Use the mobile view in the Wix editor to optimize the design for smaller screens. Test all links and buttons to ensure they function correctly. Preview your site to see how it looks to visitors. Once satisfied, publish your website to go live. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.